13 proven natural remedies for warts and moles. Tired of those pesky warts and moles ruining your day? You're not alone. But guess what? You don't need expensive medical procedures to get rid of them. Today, we're diving into 13 natural remedies that have been proven to work wonders on warts and moles. Before we jump into the remedies, let's quickly understand what warts and moles are. Warts are caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV, while moles are usually harmless growths of skin cells. While they're not dangerous, they can be unsightly and sometimes even cause discomfort. Remember, these remedies might work for some people but not for others. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatment, especially if you have underlying health conditions or concerns. 1. Apple cider vinegar. One of the most popular and effective natural remedies for warts is apple cider vinegar. Apply it directly to the wart using a cotton ball, secure it with a bandage, and leave it overnight. Repeat this daily until the wart disappears. 2. Banana peel. Believe it or not, banana peels can be surprisingly helpful in removing warts. Rub the inside of the peel on the wart several times a day. The enzymes in the peel are thought to help break down the wart tissue. 3. Duct tape. This may sound strange, but applying duct tape to a wart for several days at a time can actually help it fall off. Cover the wart completely with duct tape and leave it in place for 6 days. Then, remove the tape and soak the wart in warm water before gently rubbing it off with a pumice stone. 4. Garlic. Garlic contains natural antiviral properties that can help fight off the HPV virus that causes warts. Crush a garlic clove and apply the paste directly to the wart, securing it with a bandage. Leave it on overnight and repeat as needed. 5. Onion. Onions also have antiviral properties and can be used to treat warts. Cut a slice of onion and place it on the wart, securing it with a bandage. Leave it on overnight and repeat until the wart disappears. 6. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural antiseptic that can help dry out warts. Dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to the wart using a cotton swab. Repeat several times a day. 7. Castor oil. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which can help break down wart tissue. Apply a few drops of castor oil to the wart and cover it with a bandage. Leave it on overnight and repeat daily. 8. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has soothing and healing properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote wart removal. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the wart several times a day. 9. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help boost your immune system and fight off the HPV virus. You can take vitamin C supplements or eat foods rich in vitamin C like citrus fruits, strawberries, and kiwi. 10. Baking soda. Baking soda can help dry out warts and create a hostile environment for the HPV virus. Mix baking soda with water to form a paste and apply it to the wart. Leave it on for several hours or overnight and repeat as needed. 11. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that can help break down wart tissue. Apply fresh pineapple juice to the wart using a cotton swab. Leave it on for several hours or overnight and repeat daily. 12. Salicylic acid. While not technically a natural remedy, salicylic acid is a common over-the-counter ingredient used to treat warts. Look for wart removal products containing salicylic acid and follow the instructions on the package. 13. Patience and persistence. Remember, removing warts and moles takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep applying the chosen remedy consistently, and you may eventually see improvements. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring 13 natural remedies that can help you tackle those pesky warts and moles. From apple cider vinegar to banana peels and everything in between, there's something for everyone. Give one or more of these remedies a try and see what works best for you. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or if the warts or moles are causing discomfort or pain. Until